Are you looking for the best solution for your dropshipping store? Meet AliDropship Plugin. It's the most powerful tool for dropshipping stores based on WordPress. More than 30,000 entrepreneurs have already created their stores with the help of the plugin, and they're crazy about it. Why? Let me tell you. No more routine work. This plugin will automate all the repetitive dropshipping tasks, just in a couple of clicks. The plugin automatically imports AliExpress products to your store, one by one or in bulk. You can also forget about updating prices and stock by yourself. AliDropship gets your store synchronized with AliExpress easily. You've got lots of orders? Congratulations then! No more manual product ordering and forms filling. The plugin will fill in all the necessary fields on AliExpress automatically. Process orders in just a click. Looking for modern and beautiful designs? Free mobile-friendly and highly convertible themes are available for you with the AliDropship plugin. Take a note, we test our themes on our own multi-million stores to provide you with the solutions which bring the largest revenues. All the more, you also get AliDropship plugin Woo version. Go for it if you're an experienced WooCommerce user, so you can enjoy the selection of Woo themes and plugins. And yes, you will get Woo version absolutely free, in addition to AliDropship Original. And do you know what the best thing is about all of this? No monthly fees for you anymore. Get the AliDropship plugin and forget about the recurrent payments forever. You get the plugin for the one-time payment, and it's yours till the end of time. Free lifelong support is included. And don't forget about our special offer. Order our hosting solution, which is perfectly optimized for your e-commerce sites, and get a free service. Our team will install WordPress, AliDropship plugin, and the chosen theme for you at no cost. Your newborn site will be ready for customization right after you get it from us. Buy AliDropship plugin. You get all the necessary tools and features for your dropshipping store, and it's all for $89 only. So make up your mind and take the first step to the financial stability and independence with your own online business. Order your plugin now.